Qadir Salehi, the current owner-director, started a small business in livestock and poultry in 1981 by setting up a dairy farm of 100 original dairy cattle near city of Kashmar. Within the next years, he could take positive steps to improve productivity in dairy and red meat sector. Later, Saleh Kashmar Company was founded in 1999 by Mr. Saleh for development and production of animal feed. With his knowledge of livestock and poultry, he succeeded in developing the most sought after and high-quality concentrate feeds. Today, the company offers a wide range of animal feeds and has grown to become a flourishing company with its headquarters located in Kashmar in eastern Iran. Having 2 decades of experience in production of livestock, poultry, and aquatic feed, Saleh Kashmar is honored to have achieved its customer satisfaction all over Iran. It has accomplished this through expert skills, advanced technology, compliance with the latest international standards, and finally, providing top-quality products. The concentrate feeds made by this company are distributed in Khorasan province with the trade brand of Parvar. Also, the milk obtained from the subsidiary industrial livestock units is picked up and delivered to a processing plant in Khoshgowar Mashhad company in order to be converted to doogh, which is a Persian drink. It's worthy of note that after conducting a customer satisfaction survey, this final product, doogh, was ranked as one of the most popular doughs in Iran. The marketing and sales department of this company has always tried to meet its consumers' demands through establishing a solid relationship with its customers. The integrated poultry supply chains are those companies in which there is a deep-rooted connection among raw material supplier, breeder broiler farmer, industrial poultry slaughterhouses, processors, distributors, and final consumers. Due to the public growing demands for chicken meat and day-old chicks, Saleh Kashmar's CEO decided to launch the first integrated poultry supply chain in Khorasan, Iran. Subsequently, after doing the necessary investigations and providing the required conditions, he succeeded to establish the chain on an area of 200 hectares of land in the east of Kashmar. The broiler breeder farms have been equipped with the following technologies for the first time ever in the country. Fin tube system for heating the houses using hot water in order to remove harmful CO and CO2 compounds. An egg counting system for finding discrepancies and more precise monitoring of the flock. Side mode ventilation and tunnel ventilation. An integrated online farm management system which allows farms control and management from any location. Supply chain includes a 3-phase broiler breeder farm including 21 houses with a capacity of 120,000 pieces with an annual production capacity of 20 million day-old chicks. farm is situated on about 27,000 square meters of land and includes pre-entry quarantine for adopting strict biosecurity measures. We are at the entrance of Saleh, Kashmar's broiler breeder first farm. Workers entering the house must have a complete head-to-toe shower and change into a complete new set of freshly laundered clothing and footwear in the first quarantine. Afterwards, they enter the second quarantine, which is 2 kilometers away. Breeding period for broiler breeders is about 23 to 25 weeks. The production time is about 40 weeks, and the total period of 64 weeks is required for the birds to be kept in closed houses with all the necessary facilities provided. The house you see is a fully automatic one, and there is no need for human input in their running. You just need to enter the number and weight of the birds, and then the system will automatically calculate and provide the rest of the birds' requirements, including heat, ventilation, feeding, light, and even weighing. egg hatchery factory of this supply chain with a capacity of 20 million pieces is under construction on 8 hectares of land. Currently, Saleh Kashmar is cooperating with Farman Hatchery Company. Having a 20-year experience in the production of day-old chicks, Farman Hatchery Company uses the world's latest technology and is situated on 18,000 square meters of land near the holy city of Mashhad. This supply chain has also broiler farms. The broiler farms were established within a safe distance from the poultry farm with a capacity of 500,000 chicks. They were built in several phases on 14 hectares of land. Moreover, 6 large houses with a capacity of 80,000 pieces per period have come into operation for breeding laying pullets. The houses were built on 6 hectares of land with a total area of 8,000 meters. In order to make eggs available in this supply chain, 2 large laying houses have been built with a capacity of 160,000 laying hens. The laying houses, which are equipped with modern plants and machinery, are situated on 7 hectares of land and produce antibiotic-free eggs, which are marketed with the trade brand of Partalai and Nomel. Our main goals are to provide food security and sustainability as the first step in healthy food supply chain, to meet interests of consumers, to have innovation and dynamism, to offer high-quality products such as omega-3 eggs and antibiotic-free chicken meat. the layer farm in Kashmar. It's the second largest antibiotic-free egg production farm in the country. The eggs produced here are regularly sampled and tested. Due to the biosecurity condition of the poultry, the chicks hardly ever get sick, so there is no need for antibiotics. In order to adopt biosecurity measures in the layer farm, the company constructed a manure drying plant with a capacity of 20 metric tons per day. All manure produced by the layer farms is daily transferred to a drying room through a mechanized manure conveyor. Then the dried manure is shipped and ready to be put on the market. Another significant achievement of this enterprise is Khadamurreza slaughterhouse with a capacity of 4,000 pieces per hour, which is located about 35 km far from Saleh Kashmar company. It supplies a main portion of the region's demands for white meat. When considering the competitive market, the importance of effective relationship with the customers becomes more important. One of the most efficient methods of mutual interaction between enterprises and their customers is the capillary distribution system. Accordingly, Saleh Kashmar company, as the first poultry supply chain in eastern Iran, has been distributing its products by a vast capillary distribution network, thus achieving the slogan "Farm to Table" as one of its production goals. Owning a 20-hectare pomegranate garden, fodder corn farms and saffron crops, as well as wheat and barley fields, the company decided to improve its water efficiency. For this purpose, it installed a drip irrigation system by help of two large storage water pools with the volume of 200,000 cubic meters. Saleh Kashmar decided to reduce the logistics costs by removing the channel intermediaries. Saleh Kashmar has a wide distribution and sales network for its products nationwide, as well as countries such as Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. The distributed products are marketed with the trade brand of Shahdis, Partalai and Nomel. Saleh Kashmar company has purchased the technology for poultry farming and animal feed manufacturing from most well-reputed European companies. The machinery and equipment installed in the production line of Saleh Kashmar are from the famous brands of European countries such as Denmark, Germany, and Netherlands. Saleh Kashmar has an R&D license from the Ministry of Industries, Mines and Trade. The Research and Development Technical Center, staffed with degreed experts, regularly plans and conducts research projects in scientific technical fields with a focus on product improvement. This company has also the Chemical and Microbiological Quality Control Lab, which is responsible for carefully monitoring and controlling the quality of all manufactured products. Help of the Lord, along with great efforts of its employees, brought Saleh Kashmar lots of honors and prizes. During last years, the company got about a dozen of various national awards, including receiving the title of Model and Top National Unit in Animal Feed Production in 2001 and 2011, receiving the title of Model and Top National Unit in Egg Production in 2016. Thanks to its efforts and also due to the cooperation of Iranian officials, Saleh Kashmar has been able to provide many job opportunities in the region by employing a significant number of local young people. Our mission is to satisfy our valued customers and provide them with healthy eating and food security.